Okay, here's the next project. This is that wheel I was talking about. You can see where it's cracked and it's worn flat because it was tightened up. This nut was tight, and it's got a sleeve, metal sleeve down inside of the wheel. I don't know if this will zoom in, if you can kind of see it there. But anyway, that sleeve is seized onto the bolt and it will not spin. The only reason it's spinning right now is that I broke the bolt loose, as you can see, and it's turning in the hole. Well, that's not how it's supposed to be. So anyway, we're going to cut down in here, and I'll have to cut probably down in here, or cut the head of that bolt off in order to get this wheel out of here. And then we got that metal wheel that will take its place. It's not quite as big, but it should work.